The club sandwich is a cornerstone of Americana, in my opinion. As a matter of fact, whenever I go somewhere new for lunch and they have it on their menu, that's what I get. And that's how I judge that entire restaurant, is based on their club sandwich. So today, join the club, I'm going to show you my club sandwich. Pretty easy, not a whole lot of cooking involved. Really the only thing we're going to cook is some bacon. We are going to use heat to change the flavor and texture of our deli meat. No big deal. You're going to love this. I'm going to show you a nice secret sauce. It's not a secret because I'm going to share it with you. And you're going to love this. So hey, let's get cooking. Here we go. Alright, so let's start getting out our ingredients and get a pan preheated to medium-low. And trying out this new Nature's Own butter bread. That ought to be pretty good. Then I need some turkey, some ham, some Swiss, some cheddar, some mayo, some honey, some mustard, some smoked paprika, and celery salt. Whew, that was a mouthful. So we're going to start out by making the sauce. Need roughly a tablespoon of mayonnaise, half a tablespoon of honey, and half a tablespoon of yellow mustard, a little bit of smoked paprika, and a little bit of celery salt. And we're going to mix that all together for kind of a honey mustard mayo mix. It's delicious. You got to try it. And once the pan has preheated, let's go ahead and put on the bacon. This is probably more bacon than I'm going to need, but it's all the bacon I had left. And what? You're not going to leave one piece, are you? No. So a club sandwich needs thinly sliced tomato, in my opinion. Go ahead and change that as you want, but I'm going to get a couple of pieces of just as thin as I can make it tomato. This is porch tomatoes, and I'm just going to use this cutting board as my workstation. So I'm going to get out some 50-50 spinach and arugula baby spring mix. Pro tip for cooking bacon. If you want crispy bacon, you go medium temperature, less time, more flips. If you want more malleable, not crunchy bacon, like stretchy, which is great for sandwiches, which is what we're going for right here, you go medium-low heat and more time. It takes a little while, but listen, you got to know how to purposefully make your bacon. I don't know where my toaster is. If I were my toaster, where would I be? I found it. Alright, so once you've finally located your toaster, or if you're just better than me and already know where it is, we're just going to keep periodically checking on the bacon and make sure that the dog wants in, let her in. And the bacon's about to come off, so I'm just going to grab a paper towel so we're not soaking oil into the wooden cutting board. And as you inspect it, just go ahead and, right like so, take it out of the pan. And you want to make sure to not be disposing of your oil down the sink. So I have a old all-over pickle jar. And here's the game changer for my club sandwich. We are going to take the turkey and kind of build an area the same shape and size of bread. We're going to heat it up. We're going to get a little bit of a char on it. It's going to change the texture. It's going to add some more flavor. It's just wonderful. And meanwhile, I don't know if you saw that or not, but we're toasting some bread. Or toasting some toast? I'm not real sure how that works. So, as you can see, the turkey is on the bottom piece of bread. So we're going to go nice and heated up turkey, followed by a piece of Swiss cheese, and then the thinly sliced tomato. Just like that. The ham is in the skillet. Oh, look at that color. And then on the bottom of the middle bread, we're going to put on some of the secret sauce. And then when the ham is ready, the ham goes on top of the middle bread. We're going to do the bacon. I decided I didn't like the length of this bacon, so we're kind of shorten it up a little bit just so, you know, presentation. And you can snack on that bacon later, which is even better. So it goes on the top layer, ham, bacon, and then the cheddar cheese, and then load it up with your favorite green. Like I said, this is spinach and, I don't know, spring baby mix, something. And then some more sauce. And just like that, you have a wonderful club sandwich. Ooh. Ah. Special. Look at that. This is so delicious. I really hope you guys try this. Wonderful. Show your friends. Share with your friends. Or don't. Make 2 at a time. Eat them all together. Great sandwich. Check out this monster sandwich. The Club. We made a special sauce. It's going to be so good. Now, traditionally, you're going to want to seal this sucker together a little bit so it doesn't fall apart on you. So I'm going to grab a blue toothpick and an orange or red or toothpick. And we can debate about this in the comment section below. What is the proper way to cut a sandwich? Personally, I'm on the triangle team. So, let's go ahead. Cut down the middle. Turn it around. Do the same thing. Look at that. Shall we see how we did? You'd think this is my first time making this sandwich. I love a club sandwich. Listen, the turkey and Swiss, and then the ham, bacon, and cheddar, it's pertinent that you do those. I really like the spinach texture. I love that sauce that we made. You don't want to eat the toothpick. Be careful of that. How incredible. Guys, I'm sorry that I'm talking with my mouth full, but I can't stop. I want to try to take a minute to tell you. Thank you for hanging out with me today. If you liked this sandwich, if you liked this video, I ask that you please go down and hit that thumbs up button. Please make sure you are subscribed. We're doing all sorts of things on this channel, not just sandwiches, not just dinners, not just lunches. We're going all over the place. We're going to have fun together. So leave me a comment below. What do you like about this? How do you make your club sandwich? Where's your favorite place to get a club sandwich around you? Fantastic piece of Americana. Guys, I appreciate you very much. Until next time, be well. This is an incredible sandwich. I should have made 2.